Hello guys, welcome to NS Lectures YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to explain what is virus and what are the stages of virus and what are the types of virus. And also I am going to explain what are worms and types of worms, and also I am going to explain what is Trojan horse. Before starting this video, please subscribe to my channel, and friends, I have uploaded complete information security tutorials. I will provide link in description. You can watch from there. Let's start our video. What is virus? See, virus is nothing but, note down definition guys. Virus is a small program or software code which is used to alter or damage computer system. See, virus is nothing but it is small program which is used, small software code or program which is used to alter or damage computer system. See, now we see what are the stages of virus. See, in first stage is known as dormant stage. In this stage, virus is going to enter into the system, and in second stage, that is in propagation stage, after virus entering into the system, it starts spreading to the host files. Virus starts spreading to the host files. And third one is triggering phase. See, in triggering stage, this is third stage. In this stage, for example, if user click button for mouse for 5 times, for example, there is rule like that. If user cross the limit, then virus is going to spread all the files. See, for example, there is count that click button 5 times. Once you click that button 5 times, virus is going to enter into the file. And last stage is fourth stage, that is damage stage. In this stage, virus start damaging all the files in the system. And let's see what are the types of virus. Virus is classified into two types. First one is non-resident virus and second one is resident virus. First one, what is non-resident virus? See, in non-resident virus search for unaffected files and start affecting those files. And in resident stage, virus damage all the host files. See, types of virus. First one is parasite virus. See, in parasite virus is nothing but virus which damage executable files is known as parasite virus. And second one is memory resident virus. In this memory resident virus infect running programs. See, and third one is boot setter virus. See, this boot setter virus occurs when person reboot system. And fourth one is macro virus. See, this macro virus damages system data and as well as resources. And fifth one is email virus. See, when malicious program is going to enter from mail, then this is known as email virus. And for last one is stealth virus. See guys, this stealth virus is very danger virus. It is not going to see this antivirus cannot find this stealth virus. See, once a system is going to attack with stealth virus, then entire system is going to get damaged. One is worms. See, worms are nothing but they are software code which is going to affect system. See, worms are classified into three types. First one is Morris worm, second one is code red worm, and third one is Ninda worm. See, first one, Morris worm. See, Morris worm is best known worm. It is released in the year 1998 and it was created by Robert Morris. See guys, this is structure of Robert, that is Morris worm, which was created by Robert Morris. See, in internet, for example, if user sending worm through internet, see, from internet this system is going to get attacked by this system, and similarly all systems are going to attack by worms. See, if worms are attacked to the system, then system becomes slow. And second one is Code Red worm. See, Code Red worm is released in the year 2001. See, it is a worm gets without user interface. See, these worms are attacked without user. See, that means user cannot send this worm. This worm is generated by computer itself. And third one is Ninda worm. See, this Ninda worm is spread by using client. See, when one person send message to another person, then this worm is going to send from this system to another system. See, these worms are sent by using email messages or any network messages like WhatsApp, etc. See, these worms are also going to spread from server to client while browsing websites. This is known as this is known as worm. These are the types of worms. See, there is also another virus known as logical bombs. See, when malicious code is pasted into the system, then the system is going to attack with logical bomb. See, logical bomb is nothing but malicious code. See, these logical bombs and this virus worms, etc. are detected by using antivirus. One is Trojan horses. See, Trojan horses are the programs that sit ideally and transmit all the user information to the attacker. See, it does not modify, but it replicates. See, Trojan horse is nothing but, for example, there is Facebook page. So what this user do is, what the attacker do is, attacker inject some Trojan horse code into the Facebook page. So whatever the username and password entered by the user is sent to the attacker. This is known as Trojan horse. See, information copied into the Trojan horse and sent into the malicious user. See, for example, there is program which is created by user X. See, user X is hacker. So once user Y installed this program which is created by user X, that is hacker, then whatever the information entered by this user Y is going to get transferred to the user X. See, these Trojan horses are the program threads. See, program threads are nothing but when any program which is created by hacker is used by another person, this is known as program thread. I think you have understood what is virus and types of virus and stages of virus, and what is worms and types of worms, and what is Trojan horse. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, and friends, I have uploaded complete information security tutorials. I will provide link in description. You can watch from there.